Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you're first to get my videos. Today I will be designing my Dodger blue shirt, and I already took the images off Google and put them into my Silhouette Cameo software, and already traced them and moved um, the images out of the way. So they're currently now in the Silhouette program, and I have um, the glitter vinyl paper. And now remember guys, because for heat transfer you have to flip the glitter vinyl, and also you're gonna have to mirror the image. So I apologize for my little light that's in the way. I'm a one person show, so everything I have to do on my own, so it's kind of hard to see sometimes that I'm not in the camera frame. But my mat is so not sticky that I have to tape down my vinyl paper to it. I'll order one soon enough, but I don't use it enough too. So this is the shirt I got. I got it from Michael's, and it was like $3.99. I prefer the V-neck. I bought a polo V-neck, but it was too thin, and I don't know if it's going to be chilly that night. But I am trying to measure the shirt to see exactly where I want the lettering to go and the heart image to go, and also to see how large I need to make it in the software. So um, that's what I'm currently doing. I did my shirt for my son's graduation, and it came out pretty nice, so I am using that. Only difference is that's a v-neck and it's cut a bit lower. So here I am trying to now go back to the software or the program and size up the images that I'll be using. So for the shirt, I'm only using the heart one and the Dodgers to the right of that for this project. For the other letters that you see or other words that you see, that's going to be for the shoes that I'll decorate with those as well, but that's for another video. But in the meantime, I just kind of put all of them in there, so I'll be cutting those tomorrow, and glue heating them on another day. So I want the Dodgers to be almost like a 7 inch in width, and in length I think it was no more than 2 inches. Once I get it like that, I will move everything out of the way and just keep the Dodgers there. I kind of, it's, the sign is kind of like a tilt, but I will straighten it out so I could use more of the paper and go ahead and mirror it. So, yeah, I want to be able to use up all the glitter vinyl because those things ain't cheap. Now I'll be putting in the vinyl in the Silhouette Cameo in order to go ahead and cut it. Now with this silver glitter paper, it is so hard to see where it is. That's my little setup, you guys. It's so hard to see exactly where it's cut out. So I just kind of like start peeling it away and try not to peel it all the way so I lose glitter paper. And then I go ahead and cut the rest. And hey guys, if you haven't done by now, can you please take this time to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell? Okay, thank you. Yeah, so um setting up everything in order to send it to cut, and this is what it looks like. So anyways, the reason why we're going to the game even though I'm socially distancing as much as possible is because my son just graduated from high school, and he was featured on Channel 7 News, and I think Telemundo, I didn't see that one too, and Channel 5. And on Channel 5 they only featured two kids that comes from a, I don't know, like, I don't, they really talked about, I guess, their income and being immigrants, and I guess just to why they only feature two out of the 12 kids out of, I guess, a school district that has had perfect attendance since kinder through 12th grade. And they sent that we were supposed to get tickets for a football game, I guess when it starts, but all of a sudden we got Dodger tickets. So for four, and then my husband looked up again and it was for five. And so you know me, yeah, I have a Dodger shirt, but I wanted to make my own. and I wanted the shoes, and I'll be doing my nails as well and my pedicure. But the pedicure won't be in time for the game because currently still have on the American flag for 4th of July and they still look pretty fresh. So I won't say when the game is, but it's coming up pretty soon. And I'm wearing my mask. All of us will be doing that. So anyway, I am now going to mirror the heart. And, I don't do this as a business or even if I do it as a gift, they don't know they're getting it because I don't know if you are a silhouette cameo crafter or Cricut crafter. I don't work with Cricut, but with the silhouette, it's a lot. I got it because it did rhinestones. I don't know if the Cricut does that now. I know when I did my research, as far as I did, it didn't back then. And this silhouette is so old, you guys. I'm sorry that I'm not in the frame of the camera, but I'm just weeding it out and the LA, and I'll be keeping that separate to put on the shoes. So you can actually save images when, so you don't have to throw away all the paper. Like sometimes I keep my glitter vinyl extras to do like little hole sponges. So that came out of there, the LA, and those came out of that right there, and that's the Dodgers. So right there's the little boo boo. That's what I'm telling you. And my thing, oh guys, when you iron, make sure that you don't have on the steamer, okay? So I'm just ironing out the top of the shirt before I start positioning where I want my images to go. Yeah. So I kind of tried my best to utilize all the paper and that it actually cut up piece that wasn't there. So I was like, how am I going to troubleshoot this? So I took a leftover piece and I kind of put it as close to the heart as I could on the right hand side and cut around it and iron it on. And while I was doing this right here, somehow the top of the D got so messed up, so I did the same thing. So I do not do this as a business because I do not have time to troubleshoot silhouette cameo, and I don't have a proper heating system. I use my iron, and it's like by the time you actually troubleshoot all these issues, you lose more money because you lost a lot of paper. But I that's the proud mama of a 2021 graduate. I did that one, and my friend fell in love with it. So she came and brought the shirt, and I did it right there in front of her, and she left. But I noticed with my shirt, it's like coming off. Like some of the little stars are coming off, and I'm like, what? I ironed. Do I have? What's going on? I've had shirts like 5 years now that I've done with glitter vinyl. Like, what's going on? And I realized those I normally get from Michael's, like actual silhouette cameo or Cricut vinyl. These I got from Amazon. I am assuming that's the problem because I've never had issues. Right there, the reason why that's coming off is because I overlapped glitter on the piece of the heart that wasn't close enough to the other piece that you could see a little bit of the blue. But so I kind of trying to position it as close and then cut around the rest that wasn't needed. That's all I did. As far as I know, glitter don't stick on glitter, but so far maybe that's just regular glitter, but not vinyl. I mean, not for heat transfer, because so far it's sticking. And even if it comes off out there, look, I'll probably wear a jacket or something. So I really like how this came up because like I said, my silhouette cameo cutter is falling apart. Like the two little black rubbers that are on that metal part is melting and coming apart, that actually leave like a black streak on the paper. So thank goodness the part that's on the back side is that has the heat down on the shirt is when you do heat transfer, that's thank goodness you can't see. But what I'm doing, how do you like it? This is it right here. It's backwards, of course. I'm doing like a reverse image with my phone, so I'm gonna get my son right here to help me out. So yeah, it's falling apart, and I'm trying to figure out if I take that off, will it damage will it make the paper swerve all over the place? That's what happened with the Dodger. When I was cutting it, that the word Dodgers was like the paper was like moving all over the place, and that's why I had to hold it manually. But I was able to save piece that wasn't cut out completely and add like I did to the heart, and end up kind of camouflaging that way. So, but anyways, guys, it was like a quick little project. The shirt was $3.99, and I got this out of it. What do you think? What do you think? And then I got my tinner juice coming up that I bought as well. I'll be putting that up pretty soon, so stick around. And I have some nails that I did the other day, and I'll be doing my Dodger Dodgers nails pretty soon. As you can tell, my middle finger nail came off good because I don't put on nail long enough to last. I just want them to last the 4th of July and then take them off after. But of course, so far only one came off. And if I need to, I'll stick it on real fast with glue. Anyways, guys, it's a quick little project I did for the occasion. Please don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell.